So my class is please sing a song. Yes, judges. I don't know my song. Actually, I like my brother's song, but I will not sing. Okay, I'll sing my song. So my song is just a bachna hasi lo मैं Yes, that's all. Thank you, Bhaiya, for singing your song and you also completed your task. So next we are going to call our next judges. So we are requesting with our next judges. But Nisi will recite a shairi for him. So I will recite one शायरी पत्ते जैसे हम जंगल के सूखे पत्ते जैसे हम जिस दिन जलेंगे पूरा जंगल जला देंगे by this time I would like to call Vyas Siddharth Bhaiya. So please come on the stage. Please come on stage.
एक सवाल पैदा हुई था और आवाज ने मेरा ही के हरे को चांदनी देती एक सलाम देता हूँ आप उसके खिलाफ जाने की जरूरत मत करना
Same thing happened in our life, like if we are trying to we should do the self-motivation of ourselves. Because Sanya is also saying that before motivating someone, motivate yourself first. Because then knowledge, so he will explain a lot. But he is having a lot of knowledge, so he will try to improve himself. This line is very important for all the people who want to improve themselves. And one last statement in front of you all that is be confident every time. Be confident every time. But remember that in yourself because it is very important for you to get your success in the life. So that is what I say.
Five things where are seven numbers and letters like the
तीसरे बस So as per me, first it can be the rainbow as Didi told me, and second it can be any other name because you didn't say that in any types of thing. So as per me, one name can be kept like as many other names like the Deepak also of the seven name, seven letter, the two and next can be Siddharth as it cannot. It is all the seven numbers. This is what. So thank you very much. Then.
You completed your task. Another name also like the BTS team and continent also and land. You can take the many things. But thank you for completing your task. Next, we are going to call our next judge. But before calling our next judge, this is will recite a Sairi for her. So I will decide for Dula Didi that is आप कहें तो कायनात की सारी खुशियां आपकी तरफ मोड़ दूं आप कहें तो कायनात की सारी खुशियां आपकी तरफ मोड़ दूं आप कहें तो चांद सूरज को भी तोड़ लूं इतनी जान या दो तीन उतार बोल दूं by this time I would like to call Surya. So please clap for her. Keeping together is progress. Working thank us for now. It's time to introduce myself. My name is Uma Chaudhary. My father's name is Mr. Rajkumar Chaudhary. My mother's name is Mrs. Nambai Chaudhary. I live in Turkey. I am pursuing post graduation from geology from Tilapur. I want to become a astrophysical of future. My parents are like Mirago Vadisabilla. My hobbies are drawing, watching K-drama. I travel India because I am India. Means when we try to do any work but we don't try means we get success on that work that is called failure but it is an authentic experience but it is a part of our life life for example as you know that we all are coming here for learning that to that time we face hard times because many times we make many mistakes. That's why we get so many times revised. A lot of times we have to write 156 sentences because while replying we can say some wrong word also. So that's why we have to remember a lot of times 156 sentences. But when we get models, means when we get promotion from 156 sentences, and that time if someone stands for 156 means we got experience and how to talk, how to reply of any question, how to use word that time. Failures don't give up because in the future you will regret. You will regret, and it is true that but regret is more painful. Trust me, choose your pain, means failure. Because if you choose failure, in the future you can be able to learn many things by your failure. You see, there is a lot of learning that go along with you. The way in your life that can really help you for the further study, for the further experience also. Because this time, whenever you make mistake, means you are becoming stronger for the future, for the study of any subject in our coaching. There is success behind the failure. So be grateful that you are facing failure. At last, I want to say something. No Anjali, for motivating to you have to also complete your task because I brought you for you. So you can choose. I got task that is you have to recite a 40 of Kavita. ऐसी वाणी बोलिए माता और शीतल करे आप शीतल हो Thank you, Didi, for completing your task and you also gave your best. Next, I would like to call next judge, but before calling to him, I would like to say some line. That is, you have to guess. So he's very mature boy, and he always maintains the batch in a four to five batch with Mayank Namdev Bhaiya. So you can guess. 6 to 7, I'm wrong. Yes, you all are right. So this is recite Sairi for him. That is, जिंदगी मिली है तो कुछ बन के दिखाऊंगा जिंदगी मिली है तो कुछ बन के दिखाऊंगा आज वक्त खराब है तो क्या हुआ जनाब कल बदल कर दिखाऊंगा By this time, I would like to call Aniket Basic Bhaiya. So please, let's
The ability to learn something is a desire is called a choice. The capability to learn something is the willingness is called a choice. Most important thing. That is the skill to learn something with the Arcade Capers Academy. The skill to learn something with the Arcade Capers Academy is the opportunity. So with these ones, you will by me to the Arcade Capers Academy. Firstly, a very respectful and soulful good evening, respected sir, ma'am, judges, seniors, anchors, and you all. Thank you for your response. My name is Ranveer Trivedi, son of Mr. Purushottam Trivedi and Mrs. Ranveer Trivedi. I like mango taste like buttercotton. My hobbies are to reading books about our freedom fighters, to reading books about our history, and to watch the Kitty Cartoon movies. I live at Leghorn in Kitchen. I'm proud of India because it is my motherland. I want to be a simple person. I want to be a good person in my life. Next, come on the today's topic, and today's topic is related to the lessons that I learned on this holiday on this Sunday. And it is all about the lessons behind. So as you all are watching that, what I wrote here, lessons behind the Chowmin and the mind. So before coming to this lesson, we have to learn, we have to know the story of the Sunday. What happened with me? That after a long time, my mother prepared a Chowmin. Okay, so I was very excited on that day that today I will eat it. So in the first time, what she did, she said to me that go near to the grandparents and serve it to them. I said okay. I went to my grandfather and served that chowmin or Maggi to them. But there is a one rule that applies
in my home that my grandparents don't like to eat the food like chow which have such type of spices like onion and many more. So my grandmother said that I will not eat it because I don't like it. I came near to my mom. I said that mother, grandmother has denied it, so give it to me. It is my time. Okay. So what my mother said, he said, okay, there is no problem, you can eat it. What I saw that my mother started to cook a new Maggie for my grandmother in any other utensil with using the spices of the home. So I didn't take it seriously on that time. I said to my mother that already the grandmother has denied. So why are you cooking? Why are you preparing the chow mein Maggie again for her? She said to me, not she said to me, she put me in one condition. She said to me that in the future, when your wife will come at that time, you should say such a lines to your wife that mother has denied, there is no need to prepare any more thing for her. Yes, this is the reality. On that time, I didn't take it seriously. I enjoyed the chowmin. But after it, what I saw that my grandmother ate that chowmin, at that Maggie, what my mother prepared in the second time. And I got one lesson. I learned one lesson there. That yes, this is their responsibility or this is their word that they are denying to us. But what is our responsibility at that time? If they are denying to us, so is it our responsibility to say that yes, there is no need of it? So on that time, I felt very bad, and after finishing my shopping, so called, what I said to my mother that sorry for it. My mother didn't take it seriously. He said, okay, there is no problem. But on that night, I felt very bad, seriously. Next day, I went to my grandmother and I said, is there any need? Is there any work for me? She said, there is no work for you. But the lesson what I learned behind this Chowmin and Maggie, that when we get excited for anything, at that time, we do such types of things. Sometimes we use such types of words for our grandparents, for our teachers, for our elders, about which we don't think. So it was my mistake, what I did, that I ignored directly. What I said to my mom, that already she is denying, there is no need to doing any such more, there is no need to putting any more of a effort for that. But what the lesson that my mother gave to me, that if your elder is denying to you, if your elder is saying to you that there is no need, at that time there is more and more need. So try to do this thing in your life that whenever your elders are saying to you, are denying to you for doing any work, means for there is no need of it. So at that time, put your more and more effort because there is much more need than that. So at the last, I only want to say you that enjoy your life with the words, with the things, not in the enjoyment. You are doing such types of things. You are what we can say that you are trying to overcome such types of things only for that little amount of enjoyment. So with these words, I would like to take my seat. Thank you, and have a good day.
You can also take the help of villagers.
Actually, this is the task for me, but this is not the task for me. According to me, that this is the task for all of us. That the Didi gave to me. This is one puzzle in Hindi. That is, जल से भरा एक मटका है जो सबसे ऊंचा लटका है. पी लो पानी मीठा. What is this?
तीनों पानी मीठा है, जरा नहीं है खट्टा. नारियल पानी.
But what I said that this task is for each and every guy. As you said that we all can give the answer of it. Second is बिन खाए बिन पिए सबके घर में रहता हूँ ना हंसता हूँ ना रोता हूँ घर की रखवाली करता हूँ. Lock. Where is its key? Lock is good, but what about the key?
Close and open the door. Thank you, Bhaiya, for completing your task with the help of all the judges. So we are going to call next judges, and he also speaks very fast. He Nisha Gupta. So we are going to call next judges, but before calling to him, listen to this. So once again, before starting, thank you for starting myself. My name is Aditya Gupta. I'm Mr. Ramesh Vishal Gupta. And my name is Arun Gupta. I did 98 purpose with Gigi Gandhi. I am playing as a movie person. I want to become a doctor in future. My idol person is Mahatma Gandhi. I live here in Gupta Community Institute, Roshan Gandhi. I am proud of it because of me. So friends, today I am not here to I am here to share my one of the incidents that occurred with me on the previous Thursday. So let's start. So what just happened that before that day, I was just driving. I was just riding the scooty because I wanted to run, and I learned the scooty also. But on that day, fasting what just happened that Ryan Bhaiya was not coming to the coaching, so I called to him and asked that why I am not coming to the coaching. So he said to me that. Actually, I'm doing the preparation for the board exam, so I thought to go to his home. So I just took the keys of the scooty and started riding. So in the way was just happened that there was a speed breaker, and actually before coming of the speed breaker, I insect just went inside my eye. So that time I just started cleaning my eyes, but my one of the hand was on the accelerator, and then suddenly what just happened that I just accelerated my scooty, and when the sand came, so that time my scooty slipped, and I just fell very badly. But on that time, I was just thinking that I just thought that should I go to him or not. But after that, I just looked at my foot. So on that time, I just saw that the sandal that I was wearing has broken, and the condition of my leg was not also good because my leg was bleeding. So after that, I just lifted my scooty, and after that, I thought that now I should go. But after that, when I saw that when I thought to check the brakes, so on that time there was not the first brake. Means on that time there was only the accelerator because the brake had broken. So after that, I thought that what will happen of me in my home. So I just went to my home and then told to my father that dad has that okay. So from today you will not for learning this for learning the vehicles you will not ride the scooty. Firstly, you will have to learn the bike. Then only you will learn the scooty because as per him the tires of the scooty are too small due to which was the seven that the scooty slips. So at the last, I just only want to say that don't fear from your fear. Just leave your fear from you. So recognize that. Okay, so I'm asking the tongue twister, which I will have to speak 5 times. So let's start. Kachi roti, kake roti, roti kake kachi roti, kachi roti, kake roti, roti kake kachi roti kake roti kake kachi roti, kachi roti kake roti kachi roti kake kachi roti. So that nice. Thank you for motivating to us. But before calling to next judges, I would like to say some line for for him that and he also comes from the morning batch and he always motivates to me in a morning batch also and he's also like my brother. So before calling to him, you should recite a शायरी for him.
That is, जिंदगी से यही सीखा है, जिंदगी से यही सीखा है, मेहनत कर रुकना नहीं, हालात कैसे भी हो। My wife is that I would like to call Amit Kumar Patel Bhaiya. Please hear content.
Once again, you into the office. First of all, American I don't First of all, I just want to share some of the lines in Hindi. Just like मिलने की मंजिल, चलने पर ही, मिलेगी मंजिल, चलने पर ही, चले कभी ना भटका है, चले कभी ना भटका है, जो दुबन सर में, जो दुबन बैठ जाते हैं सर में, जो दुबन के बैठ जाते हैं सर में, वो इंसान ही लटका है इस लाइन. So by these lines, I just want to introduce myself. Myself, Father of Death. My father name is Raj of Death. My mother name is Sonali Death. I like I live at Cambodia. I'm proud of myself because I am Indian. Today, I just want to say something. The biggest thing, just the Manu has had every problem. For every problem, there are three solutions. First one, accept it. Second one, change it. Third one, leave it. But what is actually happening in this life, in this ultra modern world, the most of the students, the most of the pupils, the most of the communities, just like they will watch a little bit child, a little bit human, and as well as adult. What is actually happening? The most of them accept the problem. The most of them solve the solution. So what is actually happening? The both of God has given two choices. The God has given two choices. Accept it and change it. But what is actually happening? Yes, many people accept it but not change it. The many people accept it but they are not continuing. The most thing we have to so we have to continue for doing anything. As you know that those are the people keep trying, keep working, they also want, they are getting success. And that the future belongs to the future belongs to us who keep trying. As well as you know what is actually said by the Durga Didi, the ever plan get better. I don't think that what is actually happened. The most people die when with a one-time try, they are not trying. Because you also know what today is difficult. Tomorrow is more much difficult. Tomorrow is much difficult. Day after tomorrow is more difficult. But more people die, they are nothing more. So I think that when you realize anything is difficult, anything is failure, is coming out of your life, you have to be patient, you have to be hope. When the time comes, when you want, when you keep on seeing something, then you will realize what is actually happened. There are also realize you have to be patient, you have to be committed. Whatever you are doing, which kind of success, which kind of achievement you want to be. As I know, the world has a kind of these things. We are capable. What actually happened after getting the thing, we just need to look at those are the kind of the success. And the last, I want to say that a mistake that make you humble, a mistake that make you humble is better than an achievement that make you arrogant. Thank you very much.
Please tell me article 28, 40, 70, 90, and 45. As I think that the quality is not a good, but if I will recall the 21A, that is equality to live their life in our society. As I think that, but I don't know about the quality. Thank you very much.
I can give the answers. So, if I will talk about the Article 21A, so the right for reading from 14 years old boy. And if I will talk about the Article 14, so equality in front of the law. And if I will talk about the Article 17, so right against untouchability. Yes, I am unable to speak. And Article 19, right to freedom, and Article 45, right to midday education from then 0 to 6 year old boy. So this is an article, but you completed your task. So please clap for Amit Bhaiya.
Thank you, Didi, for telling us article. So now I would like to call next judge. मंजिलें कितनी भी ऊंची हो, रास्ते हमेशा पैरों के नीचे ही होते हैं. By this way, I would like to call Ashwin Patel Didi. So please clap for her.
Complicated. So by this line, very wonderful good evening, respected sir, ma'am, judges, best mentors, best student of the years, and all my dear friends. Thanks for response. First of all, my introduction. My name is Aditi Patel. My father name is Mr. Pushpas Patel. My mother name is Mrs. Rajkumar Patel. I like bringing a letter because there is no guarantee. I want to be teacher. My future, my idol person is Mahatma Gandhi. So now today I am here for share some thoughts about the topic. Now today I will not share about the topic. There is one picture for explaining. So, just thank you for watching this picture. So, I want to ask one question with all of you that what are you observing in this picture? Please tell me. Yes, you have also captured very bright things. And smile. If you will do smile in your every life, that means every time, happy in your life. Just like I want to ask one question also that when you smile too much, can you tell me? No, I think that we don't smile every time. No. Okay, I am giving answer. When we take a picture in the mobile, so that time we smile. Because when we smile, so that time our picture look very nice. Picture looking very nice. So if you will smile in the taking life, if you will be happy in your life every time, so your life will be beautiful. So now I want to say lastly that there is that means happiness is the beauty of the all secret. Happiness is the secret to all beauty. Happiness is the secret to all beauty. There is no happiness without beauty. So that is by this word I want to take my thank you very much.
ये जा
Take the help of the judges also. Because this is very easy task. Please give capital name of state Manipur, UP, Punjab, Goa and Assam. Capital.
What is the capital of the Manipur?
And UP and Punjab. This task is for you. If you are unable to reply, so on that time they will help you. But you have to try. But Devi, I have your answer.
See, they can already have.
Because I didn't history. Okay, I want to ask what is the capital of Manipur? And UP and Punjab and Goa and Assam. Okay, thank you for helping. Thank you. And you completed your task. Don't worry.
So the judges program has finished. So it's time to the best member of the 2025 Mindi Risa Das Bhaiya. But before calling to him, I would जो अपनी ऊंचाई पर गुरु है by this I would like to call Rishabh Raj Bhaiya. So please clap for him.
So firstly, good evening everyone. My name is Rishabh. Father's name is Mr. Alex. Mother name is Mrs. Vikas Mat. I live at Rosnagar. Today I speak as Tesdi and Mango. I is example and for you. And my partner friends. Today I will share our thoughts. Students, as you will get that our exam is going to come and there are some students who are giving their exam. Students, what happens that before giving the exam, we fear and some kind of negative thoughts will think in our mind. Because of that, we are unable to give our best in an exam. So according to me, we should not think such kind of negative thoughts. And now let me tell you from where that negative thought come in our mind. So friends, that is the negative thoughts means the group of the negative thoughts come in our mind because of the only one negative thought. Because one negative thought is enough to destroy all the positive thought of your mind. So friends, if we are going to give our exam, so then on that time, if we are thinking a negative thought, so on that time we should make ourselves busy in the other work, or we should make ourselves busy in the studies. Because of that, we are any kind of negative thought will not come, and we will avoid to think the negativity. So that is all. Thank you and have a nice day. So my task is you have to tell the five CM, me the Chief Minister, name of the India. The states are the West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Bihar, and the Kerala. I know only in the Chief Minister name of the only the two states, that is the MP and the Bihar. And other remaining, I don't know. If you know, so tell. So what is the name of the CM of the West Bengal? And what is the name of the chief minister of the UP? And what is the name of the Chief Minister of the Madhya Pradesh? Dr. Mohan Yadav. And what is the name of the, name of the Chief Minister? I'm not the Chief Minister. There is anyone who knows? And who is the Chief Minister of the Gujarat? Okay, and I know the two states, that is the MP and the Bihar. The MP, that is the Dr. Mohan Yadav, and the Bihar is the Nitish Kumar. So that is all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Of the Gujarat Bhupender Singh. The name is very tough. I am unable to say like the Tamil Nadu. I'm unable to speak, but I read it.
Kiral.
I read, but the name is very tough.
What is the name?
Haneshwari. You can search in Google. It is very easy.
Yes.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for completing your task. So next we are going to call the best student of the year 2025 and this is recite sari for him.
That is, हम शतरंज नहीं खेलते क्योंकि दुश्मनों की हमारे सामने बैठने की औकात नहीं। By this line, I would like to call Anirudh Dwivedi Bhaiya. So please clap for him.
I am here to make your a very interesting topic. And let's listen to the topic first. So today the topic that I have now is all about stop laughing on someone, start encouraging them. So let's begin. Well, nowadays, friends, if you would observe, and you would have also seen. Means if you are a friend of someone or not only a friend, but in this today's ultra modern world, that today's generation just feel like laughing and making a fun of someone's trouble. Yes, it's a reality and it's a very common fact of today's world and of all the world, which stops a country to develop, which stops a person to get success, even. Yes, friends, do you know? Today I'm telling this thing because I have seen and I have found a natural behavior of the humans that whenever if their friend, whenever if their relative, people goes on their apartment, at that time they just start laughing on them, making their fun and just start enjoying and making a person, which must not be done by every one of us. Because the history has proven this thing that a person who laughs on someone's problem, who laughs on someone's trouble, can never get a big achievement in his or her life. Because I'm not just saying this thing. If you will find and read the dictionary or autobiography of successful persons, they will also try you and suggest you only one thing which will definitely help you to be a successful person. in your life, which is all about don't laugh on someone. Always encourage them. Just give it a statement and reason behind it because on your truth smile on their trouble can make them not try again. But your fake motivation, and importance, or at that time your fake courage or encouraging them can motivate them to try again, can motivate them to do better than next time, and can make them to find their bestest version. So I am saying this thing, and one day my father also suggested me a line and a very good thing that beta, if you cannot motivate someone, so don't laugh on them. Because I just mentioned now only the history has proven this thing. If you are laughing on someone, at that time the people will definitely laugh you on you. But then definitely the day will come on which day you will become the reason behind their laugh. Yes, it's a reality. But on the other hand, you are just encouraging them. It doesn't matter. You are just giving your fake motivation to them. But definitely, at that time, at that case, you will be a millionaire or you will get a success, your success. Means your success. And it's a reality that if you are just motivating someone again and again and just trying to help someone to do better and better, do something for you and not the world, but the karma will definitely bring it for you. And I can say this thing that the karma really exists in this world. If you are laughing on someone's failure, if you are laughing on someone's trouble, definitely one day they will laugh on you. And if you are motivating them, if you are helping them to grow more and more, definitely one day the God will help you. Yes, not any person, not any teacher or anyone else. The God will give you a helper. The God will motivator who will motivate you in that case if you are motivating someone. Always remember this thing in your life that if you cannot motivate someone, if you are laughing, then be ready for just getting the result of that various thing which you are doing. And you know, I have also seen classmates. Whenever every student of my class of toppers or with me even. So my friends go just start making laugh of him or her. They just laugh on them, even they just make and speak loudly into the class. The teachers look at him, he is unable to do this thing. Such common thing, such small thing or easy thing. At that time, both the classes start laughing. But I don't. Because I have learned this thing from all the persons who came into my life, especially with my father, that don't laugh on someone. If you are laughing today, so definitely the world and the person on whom you are laughing today will gonna laugh on you tomorrow. So this is one of the things that I wanted to share with you. And don't take it seriously, don't take it easily or just fake. It's a reality. If you will laugh at someone trouble, definitely that person laugh on your trouble. And if you are motivating someone, encouraging someone, then the world will encourage you for your motivation for your success. That's how it is security ahead. So when now task for me is to just I have to tell the names of IAS, IPS, IFS, CEO as well as our collector our collector that is Mrs. Sanskriti Sharma and IAS Didi no yes Didi Dilip Kumar Yadav IPS the Abhishek Kumar Ranjan because Abhijit Kumar Ranjan I know this thing because Pratima Didi took the interview of her and IFS Didi knows do you know Didi yes help me Gaurav Sharma and CEO. Do you know why does she do this thing? Because she has done the hard work for it. Means for even knowing the name, for taking the interview of all these persons, she tried a lot. She gave 100% to take the interview.
Yes, I did the Dipti color.
Yeah. So stand because my favorite will be best student 2025 Katwa Didi. But before calling to her, I will decide some time for her. That is, जलने वाले जलते रहो, जलने वाले जलते रहो, जलना तुम्हारा काम है. हम भी बुझाने नहीं देंगे क्योंकि ये हमारा काम है. प्रतिभा दीदी
बुझाने नहीं देंगे.
So, firstly, good evening, respected sir, ma'am, judges, anchors, best inventor, and good evening to everyone. Thank you for response. First, my introduction, my name is Pratibha Patel. I'm not a Mr. Note, but this is Hemnana Patel. I live at 20 PSC Sarja from Tena Forest. I like Mumbai in Pahara. My was my parents. I put up here because I live here. So, before starting, I would like to ask everyone that who wants to get prize? Everyone, as I think that Farooq don't want to get prize. Yes, Farooq. And I think that everyone wants to get the prize. Yes, every student wants to get the judges post. And for it, now this is the correct time. Why? Do you know? Because exam has started. Even though the student will not come, it's a wonderful, not a great chance. You have a wonderful chance. You will get the prize because that is a very wonderful chance for the all of us for getting the prize. Because I'm telling you my experience, I also got my first prize at the time of the in the December. On that time, examination was also going. Benefits should be taken by us for getting the prize. So at the last, only I want to tell them. उलझनों से डरे नहीं, उलझनों से डरे नहीं, कोशिश कर बेहिसाब. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Printed on these. Whose pictures are printed on these notes? In our 15, as I think that Humpy and 10, note of the 10, which picture has printed? No. In the 15, I had given that Humpy and the 100. 20. I know about the 200 Sanchi. Then I give the answers. In a 10 rupees, in a note of the 10 rupees, pictures is printed Kodam temple, in this sun temple. And in a note of the 20 rupees, the pictures are printed just like the Ellora temple. And in a 50 note, Hampi, and 100 notes, Rani Ki Bav, which are established in Gujarat. So please clap for Pratibha. Only I remember that now I am able to reply. So next I would like to call the best student 2024, Mr. Karthik Starma Kaya. But before calling him, I start some time for him. That is, he is full of wisdom. He is full of wisdom.
खेलते हैं।
Once again, welcome up to our Academy. Good evening, honorable sir, respected ma'am, all the judges, and a very nice good evening to our here. So, thank you. So, let's start with Vishwakarma. Vishwakarma and Ms. Ramna Vishwakarma. I am class 10th B of West St. Elvis Senior Secondary School. I like my music banana. My two parents are proud of India because I am Indian. My hobby is sing music. So, friends, today, as I think that having watched my face, you can imagine how tired I am because I'm also admitting this fact that today, Aniket, why? Okay, no problem. So I'm thinking. But let me tell you and give you some of the things that I have experienced today. That your hard work should not be stopped by you anytime. And as before, sometimes Pratibha Didi also mentioned that this is the golden opportunity time for you to get the prize because so many of the students will leave the coaching for their examination. Same as Pratibha Didi, I got my second prize in the month of March. But I would like to tell you that yes, it can be difficult, but it cannot be impossible. Now I would like to tell you some of the things related to my experience without taking too much time. That so many of the times we think that if we will motivate to any of us, so they will not think about us or they will forget. So let me tell you that in Hindi I would like to tell you because so many of the seniors are here. अगर आपको मोटिवेट करना है तो हमेशा उसको करिए जिससे किसी को कोई उम्मीद नहीं है because the one who knows everything, the one who can do everything will do it. But the one who cannot do it, the one who needs help, if you will help that person, so at that time you will be called as real motivator. I would like to just take my place after saying some of the lines that are all about if you think that you are gonna fail, if you think that you are gonna fail, so remember why you started. Because I would like to tell you that when I sit at the night for reading and when I feel depressed, when I think that now it's impossible for me to study more. So at that time, what motivates me? Do you know? A small thing motivates me. That is the song of the Saraswati Nidhi we listen every Saturday. But the motivation that is got by me after listening her song makes me another champion in my life. So if you get the happiness, if you get the motivation, if you get the power from any of the things, so keep doing it, be motivated and get your success. So this was all for today. Thank you and have a good day. It is dry.
Giving the answer that why I didn't write anything because which task I was about to give you, so I don't know that who in that which actor do you like and which is your favorite actor? I don't know. First of all, you will have to tell, then I will.
Okay, so my favorite actor. There are so many of the actors who are my favorite, like Kartik Aryan and yes, and Shah Rukh Khan, everyone's favorite. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan then.
The dialogue.
So you have to tell the 5 movie name of the Saruk Khan.
Okay, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कुछ कुछ होता है. Zero, zero. Pathan, Jawan. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Sunil Bhaiya.
So now we are going to invite Vidhan to sir. But before calling to sir, Nisi will say some line for him.
That is, entry late होगी पर great होगी. By this line, I would like to call Sir. But Sir will not come here. I will go to clear this.
We will come.
So good evening, everyone. What a nice. Huh? Okay, have a seat. You have done well. Don't mind. You have learned the carry on. There's a lot of timing that you will have to improve yourself. You will get also the opportunity day by day because all the senior will give you chance for the speaking and coming on the stage. I think that, and you are making also the chance whenever you are motivating to anybody is getting and she is getting the prize, so you can be able to come with him and her. Is right now, so don't mind about these things. Okay, we have to give the chance to the juniors again and again for the improving to them. This is already the task, and this must be remembered. All the seniors. Okay, don't mind you are listening here. The boys, are you waiting for the prize? I know that your face is something tired, but firstly, I would like to ask that how was the examination? Yes, Karthik. Very nice. Only very nice. Excellent. And Anirudh, bestest. Not what is the best. We are talking on the good, better, best. And this is the best, bestest. There is no matter about these things. Wrong English, and you have given English examination. Okay, don't mind our seat. Don't. This is a really that this is the very hard work of the both one that after giving the examination they are sitting here. And where is the research? Yes, research. How was? Whatever you accepted, that was easy. Okay, let me watch the result. That will be easier thing. There was set A, B, C, D. Four sets are there. So which set have you got? Three, third. And you? First. And you? First. And third we will was easy. Don't be busy. After the sometime you will be lazy. That was it. Okay, don't mind. We are working very hard already the day by day, and you are watching the all children. Have you ready? The all children are ready. I don't think that you are ready to listen to the who will be the nominees. I think. The nominees are for the daily routine. The competition is very high, so you will have to come here one by one. First name I would like to call Mohit Kumar, Isa Raja, Tahaji, Shashri Chauhan, Saina, Mansi Patel. Yes, start to speak your daily routine, whatever you have spoken.
I got up at 6:30 in the morning, and after morning call, I got ready. Then I started PM. Then I completed my homework from school and coaching. Then I took dinner. Then I went to sleep at 10 p.m.
Yes, Tahaji, you have to also speak. Which stands daily routine have you presented?
I had got up at 6 early in the morning. I done get breakfast, then I got ready for school, then I go to school, then I reach 4 p.m., then I take a lunch, then I return home by 2 p.m., then I take the clothes, then I take a lunch for 2 hours, then I come to Artist Cafe Academy at 6 p.m., then I return to home at 7 p.m., then I return at 9 p.m., then I go to sleep at 10 p.m. Thank you.
Yes, Justine.
I will get up at 6 a.m. in the morning. After morning calls, then I take bath, then I will get ready, then I will take milk and breakfast, then I will go to school, then I will attend one to 3 period, then I will take lunch, then I will attend one to 3 period, then I will go to home, then I will take lunch again, then I will get ready, then I will come to Artist Cafe Academy, then I will learn English, then I will go to home, then I will go to coaching, then I will study, then I will go to home, then I will complete my school homework, then I will take dinner, then I will complete my coaching homework, then I will go to sleep at 9 p.m. Thank you.
स्टार्टिंग क्या थी?
I will have got up at 7 a.m. early in the morning. After morning call, then we will got ready for school. Then we will go to play study. Then we will some class. Then we will come to home at 2:50 p.m.
Which tense are you speaking? ये फ्यूचर पास्ट क्या होता है?
I will have got up at 7 a.m. early in the morning. After morning call, then we will have got ready for school. Then we will go to play study. Then we will prepare for the classes. Then we will have come to home at 2:50 p.m. I will get up at 6 a.m. After morning calls, I will prepare breakfast and tea at 7 a.m. Then I will take bath. Then I will worship of the God. Then I will take breakfast and tea at 8:30 a.m. Then I will get ready for going to coaching at 9 a.m. Then I will study at coaching at 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Then I will come back to home at 11:30 a.m. Then I will take rest for 10 minutes. Then I will take lunch at 12 p.m. Then I will take rest at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Then I will complete my work at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Then I will prepare tea at 5 p.m. Then I will cook dinner at 7 p.m. Then I will serve food 12 family members at 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Then I will clean kitchen at 9 p.m. Then I will operate mobile at 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Then I will go to sleep on the bed at 10:30 p.m.
I will get the system and after my calls I will take the class. Then I will come to coaching at 8 a.m. Then I will go to home at 9 a.m. Then I will go to school at 10:30 a.m. Then I will leave the school. Then I will take lunch at 1 p.m. Then I will come to home at 4:30 p.m. Then I will watch at 6 p.m. Then I will leave at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then I will go take dinner at 9:30 p.m. Then I will go to sleep at 10:30 p.m.
What was the daily routine? Hello. The one name also is here. Arnav Yadav.
I will get up at 5 tomorrow. I will get up, then I will take breakfast at 6 a.m. Then I will go to school at 8:40 a.m. Then I will attend 4 p.m. Then I will take lunch at 11 a.m. Then I attend 4 p.m. Then I will go to home at 3 p.m. Then I will watch TV at 3 to 4:50 p.m. Then I will watch mobile at 5:50 p.m. Then I will complete my homework at 5:30 p.m. Then I will come Artist Cafe Academy for learning English. Then I will go to home at 7:30 a.m. Then I p.m. Then I will complete my homework at 7 p.m. Then I will watch TV at 9:50 p.m. Then I will take food at 9 to 10 p.m. Then I will